Hi, and welcome to another Type with me. In today's video, I want to talk about TypeScript 5.6 and a great feature that's in TypeScript 5.6, iterator helper methods. So first of all, iterator helpers is a ECMAScript proposal, and you can go to proposals.es/proposals, and there you will see all the proposals of the ECMAScript language. And the iterator helpers is a proposal for several interfaces that will help with general usage and consumption of iterators in ECMAScript. One of the things you see here, it's in stage 2, right? It's a draft. And if you go down, you'll see added methods for iterators and sync iterators. We add the following methods. So they are adding extra methods. And I think it's nice to look into this and to follow this along. But it's already in TypeScript, TypeScript 5.6. So here we go. Here we have a method, positive integers. And if we go down a bit, you can go and say const even numbers, positive integers, and you can map it, right? We can do the following thing, which is great. You also need to know that it's very important that in your ES-config you have actually this. If you go to and you choose, for example, this one, we save it and you'll see that it has a problem. It doesn't recognize that anymore. If I do this and I do this, you'll see that it doesn't have that method anymore. So it's quite important to go to yes, next for your target. And the reason for that is, of course, it's still a ECMAScript proposal. On the other hand, it's cool that it's already in TypeScript because, for example, within Dino and Bun, you have native TypeScript support, and then you can just use it within your TypeScript code, right? So if we now do this and we do something like this, even numbers, but I can also do it like this, positive, no, I'm just going to do it like this, even numbers dots, and then dot stake, and then you can do this, and for each console.log, and we are just printing out what each is. If we now do this, so I save it, and I do this, I'm going to run it, so I can do dino run index.cs, and here we go, we have the numbers. If I do this, bun run or bun dots, right, you'll see that it gives a problem. Integers.map is not a function, and that's because we are not in the or I have not installed the latest version of Bun, so it will not have the latest version of TypeScript with it. So bear that in mind. And the latest thing that or the last thing that I want to show is I want to show what you can do. So you have here drop, every, filter, find, flat map, for each map, next, reduce, return, sum, take, throw, and to array. So these are the functions that you can use now with this function with generators, right? If you go over it, you see your generator or an iterator. When you use things like with yield, you can use it now with these extra helper functions. I think it's nice. I think there are a lot of use cases for that. I hope you think so too. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this proposal and what you think by the addition to add this to TypeScript, right? That would be very awesome to see what your thoughts are on this. I think it's nice for other viewers as well. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you think this was a very interesting video for you. And if you are not been subscribed to my channel and you want to learn more about these kind of topics, then do so. Thank you very much. See you next time.